following counties in Pennsylvania: Adams, Berks, Cumberland, Dauphin, Julietta, Lancaster, Lebanon, Perry, Schuylkill, and York. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 242 has been issued until 3 p.m. for the following counties: Adams, Berks, Cumberland, Dauphin, Julietta, Lancaster, Lebanon, Perry, Schuylkill, and York. Thunderstorm Watch number 244, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Pennsylvania: Adams, Berks, Cumberland, Dauphin, Julietta, Lancaster, Lebanon, Perry, Schuylkill, and York. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 244 has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties: Adams, Berks, Cumberland, Dauphin, Julietta, Lancaster, Lebanon, Perry, Schuylkill, and York. Thunderstorm. Thunderstorm warning for southwestern Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania, southern Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, northeastern Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, Snyder County in central Pennsylvania, southeastern Union County in central Pennsylvania, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:42 p.m., a cluster of severe thunderstorms were located near Penns Creek, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees, roofs, and siding. This severe thunderstorm will be near Sealands Grove, Prattsville, and Hummel's Wharf around 4:50 p.m. Port Trevorton around 5 p.m. Clingerstown, Urban, Rebuck, Leckhill, and Leckens around 5:10 p.m. Tower City and Williamstown around 5:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Ravine, Landonville, Newtown, Seven Points, Mount Herman, Cressona, Muir, Higgins, New Berlin, and Erden. This includes Interstate 81 between mile markers 80 and 81, and from mile markers 97 to 117. This includes the following COVID-19 test sites: Family Practice Sealands Grove, Geisinger Owensburg, Geisinger St. Luke's Hospital, and Lehigh Valley Health Network. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties: Dauphin, Northumberland, Schuylkill, Snyder, and Union. Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, northern Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, Pennsylvania, Lebanon County in south central Pennsylvania, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Port Trevorton, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near urban around 5:30 p.m. Lycans and Elizabethville around 5:40 p.m. Fort Indian Town Gap, Dihard Dam and Williamstown around 5:50 p.m. Harper Tavern, Blickdale and Penn National Race Course around 6 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Enders, Grants, Ono, Wickenesville, Mount Gretna, Freeburg, Avon Heights, Dalmatia, Berrysburg and Herndon. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike near mile marker 264, Interstate 78 from mile marker 0 to 8, Interstate 81 from mile markers 79 to 96. This includes the following COVID-19 test sites: Good Samaritan Hospital, Lebanon, Virginia Medical Center, May Express Urgent Care, and Wellspun Health. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties: Dauphin, Lebanon, Northumberland, and Snyder. Thunderstorm Watch number 250, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Pennsylvania: Adams, Cumberland, Dauphin, Julietta, Lancaster, Lebanon, Cary, Schuylkill, and York. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 250 has been issued from 2:30 p.m. until 10 p.m. for the following counties: Adams, Cumberland, Dauphin, Julietta, Lancaster, Lebanon, Cary, Schuylkill, and York. Thunderstorm warning for southwestern Northumberland County in central Pennsylvania, northern Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, northeastern Julietta County in central Pennsylvania, northeastern Cary County in south central Pennsylvania, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Newport, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Millersburg, Lycans, Newport, Elizabethville, New Buffalo, Clingerstown, Leadkill, Urban, Dihard Dam, Liverpool, Wickenesville, Halifax, Grants, Thompsontown, Millerstown, Dalmatia, Berrysburg, Pillow, East Salem, and Enders. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties: Dauphin, Julietta, Northumberland, and Cary. south central Pennsylvania, southwestern Cumberland County in south central Pennsylvania, until 5:33. Pennsylvania has issued a tornado warning for central Dauphin County in south central Pennsylvania, east central Perry County in south central Pennsylvania, northwestern Lebanon County in south central Pennsylvania, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over New Buffalo, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, tree damage will occur. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles is likely. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. This dangerous storm will be near Ringlestown, Gehart Dam and Skyline View around 5:10 p.m. Harper Tavern, Lickdale, Fort Uniontown Gap and Penn National Race Course around 5:20 p.m. Fredericksburg and Cleona around 5:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Angers, Ono, Halifax, Dauphin, and Jonestown. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 from mile marker 0 to 5. Interstate 81 from mile marker 77 to 97. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This cluster of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties: Dauphin, Lebanon, and